Should Iowa's so-called fetal heartbeat bill be reinstated, the state's Board of Medicine may look to add new rules to the law. The legislation bans most abortions after 6 weeks of pregnancy. Details in our top story tonight at 6. Those proposed rules under consideration today by the board include physicians being required to question a woman. In cases of rape or incest, doctors would have to determine whether or not the sex act was in fact rape and document when the crime was reported to authorities or a public health agency. Health officials who failed to document that information would face disciplinary action. Meanwhile, another proposed rule would require a woman to sign a certification form that verifies information concerning the sex crime committed against her. The board is set to hold a public hearing on those rule changes tomorrow at 10 in the morning. It's being done both in person and virtually. We have the Zoom link for that hearing inside this story on our website. If you'd like to learn more or watch that hearing, go to SiouxlandProud.com. The state's so-called fetal heartbeat law bans most abortions after 6 weeks in a pregnancy, with the exceptions of rape, incest, and several severe fetal abnormalities. Governor Reynolds is appealing an injunction blocking the law from going into effect to the Iowa Supreme Court. Currently, Iowa abortion is legal up to 20 weeks of a pregnancy.